Welcome to My Day, My Choice, where we celebrate mothers who love style. Today we explore denim blue mother of the bride dresses. Calm, elegant, and ready for unforgettable moments. Learn how this timeless shade flatters skin tones, pairs with accessories, and works for every season. From soft pastels to deep navy, you have beautiful choices. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's begin your confident style journey. Denim blue is graceful because it mixes calm with strength. It feels friendly, not stiff, and it suits daytime or evening weddings. Lighter blue brings a fresh, airy mood. Deeper navy shows classic polish. Both photograph beautifully beside bridal whites and pastel bouquets. The key is matching undertones. Cool skin prefers icy blue. Warm skin loves smoky, inky tones. Test colors by holding fabric near your face in natural light. Now let's talk shapes. A-line dresses flatter everyone, giving soft movement without clinging. Fit and flare highlights the waist and still feels comfortable for dancing. Sheath styles look sleek for city venues, especially in darker denim blues. T-length is playful and perfect for garden ceremonies. Floor length creates formal drama with minimal effort. Add a slit for easy steps. Whatever you choose, prioritize balance. Shape, comfort, and support should work together all day. Denim blue does not mean denim fabric. You can enjoy this color in chiffon, satin, crepe, lace, or jacquard. Chiffon feels light and floats in photos. Satin shines softly at night and looks luxurious. Crepe hangs smoothly and flatters curves. Lace adds romance without overpowering the bride. Jacquard brings texture that feels special. Choose lining that feels comfortable, and check that the fabric does not snag on beading or jewelry. Pick details that fit your body in comfort. V-neck or wrap necklines lengthen the torso and flatter the bust. Boat neck and scoop are modest and sweet for church settings. Cap sleeves give light coverage. Three-quarter sleeves slim the arms. Sheer sleeves add grace without heat. Belts or ruching define the waist. If you are petite, try higher waistlines. If you are tall, balance length with volume at the hem. You deserve a dress that feels like you. Calm, confident, joyful in denim blue. Choose the shade, shape, and details that support your celebration. And remember the love. If these tips helped, share them with someone you love. For easy shopping, Amazon affiliate links are listed in the description below. I earn a small commission while you pay no extra cost.